G'day campers, welcome back to Metro RV, and we have got ourselves an absolute, a pinnacle of caravans, we're going to go as far as saying. So an Evernew caravans, RTX, one of their full off-road, super luxurious van, is only 10 months old, so it's a July 2025, and it's he's got a million standard options, but these folks have got a million other options as well. So we'll start with some, it's going to be a bit of a walkthrough, but there's a bit going on here. So they've had a premium tyre choice, so there's BF Goodridge all-terrain, now probably the most spectacular option and unbelievably expensive. Has got a Cruisemaster full independent rear trailing arm suspension, which I might just get under and give you a look. Now it also has the airbags which level the van, which I can tell you one thing, when you're free camping and you've got things like this, it just makes, you press a button and the van's done. It makes life unbelievably easy. I've got all alternating Mozzie lights out the front, external table. Now seriously a good looking van. That was a straight through tunnel boot down the back. Now it has got a little compartment here. Now one thing it does is it reaches up. Well, there you go. It's got some serious height to it. Also, one of the additions is it's got a quad camera setup, so like 360 degree diesel heater tank. But diesel heater is something you would expect pretty normal for a van of this ilk. Now, Evernew, one of the arguably one of the best companies, well, in my opinion, making them in the world. So the Australians make the best caravans in the world, and well, a lot of folks will argue that Evernew are one of the best in the country. So that makes them one of the best in the world. So Blackjack, might just give you an idea. So just simplicity of use here is everything. Series toolbox, got some, it's not quite as tinny as a lot of them are. Nice stone shield, has got a DO45. One thing with Evernews, they full hot dip galvanized chassis. Now it also has the Cruisemaster. Now this van has got, it's fitted with ABS brakes, so anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control. This thing's an absolute looker, like it's about as good as it gets in caravan terms. Also, it's Starlink ready to go. Has got, oh, I'm missing it. Oh, there we go. Has got a bar in there which you can set your unit up. Now there's two freshwater tanks. One grey water, they're all 95 litre. There's also an additional tank, 95 litre drinking water with it on a separate pump. Now that's a straight through boot again. The way the previous owners set it up, it's got an ATM, or the tier weight is 2940. Currently got a ATM of 3.5 tonne. Now the van is rated to 4, so if you've got a cruiser or something with 4 tonne towing capacity, we're more than happy to get it set up where your the van is more than rated to do 4 tonne. Hard to say sometimes, but there's your airbag system. It's seriously impressive. The van's level, so it's not going to do much now, but got a premium door in it as well, which I should show you. All these new ones, they are quite impressive actually. They've got built-in blinds. midget proof. They're dual layered, so there's two layers. There's a chunkier one on the outside and a very fine one, well, chunkier one on the inside and a fine one on the outside. They are a spectacular product, as you would expect of Evernew silk. A techno step. Now, this is where this thing gets even more interesting than before. So where are we going to start? I'm like a little kid in a lottery shop. So now these folks have opted for a dinette removal. There's genuine, and I mean these things are unbelievably high quality. They are spectacular to sit on. Proper genuine leather recliners. Now the van itself is just on 20 foot, so that's an external measurement. It's got a wireless. Well, there's a bit of a techno step for you, but anyway, now 3 215 amp hour roof mounted solar panels. There's also provision for a portable one, nice rear island bed, queen size, Sirocco fans. So there's two of those. There is a diesel heater, some underbed storage. Now we've got a 3000 watt inverter as well. There's also provision to put a portable solar panel, and we've got a full gasless van. So all your filter taps run through the original tap. Domestic induction cooking. Now, one thing with these things, one thing about this Evernew, they've been making vans for as long as anyone, since the 50s. Premium products. Now sometimes it's hard to see that on online. You got to come in, look, feel, touch. The quality of these things is just astronomical. Like it's such a joy to touch them. I do struggle to control myself sometimes, but that's as like the doors and everything you touch just got a serious, unbelievably solid feel to it. It's spectacular. Now we've got a front bathroom, quite a spacious one at that. Got a 3.2 kilo washing machine, overheads, a quick hello, proper sink, and a nice generous shower. Now campers, oh, I'm missing a couple of things. The management in this thing is next level. It's all Enerdrive. I did forget there's two 200 watt, two 200 amp hour lithium batteries. I'm a bit all over the place, but there's a lot to take in and try to remember everything. But campers, 138 777. You're saving at least 40 grand on the new van. The van's had next to no use. It presents like new. We've got a 4-year balance of just over 4 years left of the factory warranty, which is being transferred. Metro RV, thanks for looking. I've probably missed something in this video, but this is unbelievable. If a serious amount of money, even more serious amount of van. Thanks for looking, and we hope to see you soon.